Hey everyone! Welcome to ChatGPT Smart Start Guide, powered by AIWURKS. This guide is your smart start to learning what ChatGPT is and how to harness its power in a matter of minutes to help you do things quicker and easier. Let's get right to it. You may be thinking in your head, so just what is this ChatGPT that I've been hearing and seeing so much about? After all, that's why you grabbed the Smart Start Guide, right? Let's put that burning question to rest right now. ChatGPT is a free AI assistant that helps you write, plan, and solve problems faster than ever. It's simple to use. Just type in what you need help with, and it responds instantly. You don't need any special skills. If you can type, you can use ChatGPT. Now that you know what ChatGPT is and what it does, it's time to check it out. Getting started is easy. First, you'll open a web browser like Google Chrome or Safari, and then type in chat.openai.com in the address bar at the top. We recommend selecting Sign Up and creating a free account using your email so that you can keep track of all your conversations. However, if you're not quite ready for that step yet, you can just start typing in the chat box at the bottom of the screen that says Ask Anything. Before you go down the rabbit hole of asking ChatGPT everything under the sun, let's discuss how to use it in a way that's smart and safe. Even though ChatGPT is powerful, it's not perfect. Always read what it gives you before using or sharing it. Double check anything important, especially dates, stats, or news, as it's unable to give real-time data. Never share private and/or personal identifiable information, and remember to use your own judgment, knowledge, and voice. Let ChatGPT support your thinking, not replace it. The better your prompt, the better your results. Start by adding helpful details, like the topic and what you want it to do. Then think about who the answer is for. Is it for a student, a teacher, or a customer? Finally, state exactly what kind of help you need. For example, can you explain how thunderstorms work in 3 short paragraphs for a fifth grader? This prompt is clear, specific, and gets you exactly what you need. There are so many ways that ChatGPT can help you daily. It can help you write emails, texts, and social media captions, brainstorm ideas, plan meals, or even study for an exam. You can use it to create stories or checklists. The list is endless. Once you start using it, you'll find new ways to make your life run easier. You've taken the first step. Now let's go deeper. Join the AI Works Skills Studio, your all-access pass to hands-on AI learning. Inside, you'll get deep dives into AI tools and concepts, business tips, custom AI tools built to save you time, and real support to help you grow. Whether you're just starting out or ready to scale, the Skills Studio gives you everything you need to learn, build, and win with AI. Click